Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox encountered and unexpected error problems on your PC. Let's begin. First, open your computer search bar over here, type core isolation, or you can type memory integrity. Left click on it. Then over here under memory integrity, make sure this is turned off. Usually if it's on, it's causing problems on your Roblox client. Your Roblox should now be fixed. However, if the error still appears, what you can do is head over the Windows search bar again, type add or remove programs, click on it. On the search list, type Roblox, left click on it, and then make sure to click on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled your Roblox on your PC, reinstall Roblox from there, and then your Roblox should now be fixed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.